skateboard is immediately visible, with all accessories arranged in the lower layer, separated by foam padding. Hobbywing remote. Nymph user manual. Spare screws. Drive bell. CNC action. Remote lanyard. To skate tool. Charger and charging cable. 2 front wheels. We need to install the 2 front wheels. Put a washer. 160mm pneumatic wheel. Wheels are divided into left and right. Pay attention to the tread direction. Add 1 more shim, then tighten the nut. Same steps. Made with maple, bamboo, and fiberglass via 3D hot press technology. The W concave design locks your feet in for better control in carving. One of Nymph's core advantages lies in its dedicated RKP trucks, CNC machined from aerospace-grade 7075 T6 aluminum. These trucks offer a 50-degree front and 30-degree rear. Split design for sharper turns and high-speed stability. Dual twin 252W motors deliver 4500W peak power and 7577 RPM. Smooth acceleration and strong off-road capability. The 170 kV low RPM high torque design ensures 648 or 864W capacity, and a range of up to 25-35 miles. Nymph continues to use Hobbywing's ESC 6061 CNC machined heatsink for more efficient thermal dissipation. Pair remote controller. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on or off. During setup, toggle the wheel to make selections. And confirm with the power button. Press and hold the power button for 7 seconds. Until the power light flashes red rapidly, indicating that the ESC has entered pairing mode. kph or mph? Motor type belt wheel diameter 160. Gear ratio 4. Magnetic poles 7. V6S has 4 speed levels. Press the power button once to confirm the settings. Press the function button twice to switch direction. Press the function button 3 times to toggle between kph or mph. While powered on, hold the brake. And press the power button 5 times to enter the menu settings. Toggle the wheel to make selections. And confirm with the power button if the direction is displayed incorrectly after powering on fine direction. Set it to CCW and confirm with the power button. Exit with the function button. If the board is inverted, lift it until the wheels are off the table. Then accelerate to check if the direction is correct.